Yeah, Jashmita, please tell what is the question.
Yes, ma'am. If a minus 1 by a equals to 4,
A
find
minus
the
1 by
value
a
of
equal to 4.
4. Find the value of, ma'am, this is the first one. A
Okay.
square plus 1 by a square.
A square plus 1 by a square value you're supposed to find out. Very good.
Ma'am, and the second one is a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4.
I think the question is not this. A minus 1 by a. The question is like that, right? It's not.
Yes, ma'am, a minus 1 by a.
No, right. Right. Just squaring on both sides, ma'am. This is given condition. Just make a square on both sides. You know a minus b whole square identity. Yes, Jashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
A-
ma'am. A minus b whole square.
So a minus b whole square can be written as what way we can write which identity? So a square minus
Twice AB minus B.
A square minus
Minus 2ab
2ab
plus b square.
plus b square.
now instead of b we have 1 by a. That's all, children. Same thing. A square minus
Yes, ma'am.
2 into a. A means a only. B means 1 by a. 1 minute, children. Students are waiting. Yeah. So 2 into 1 by a, because b value is here 1 by a plus b square. B square means 1 by a whole square. Quick, children, here a get cancelled because a into 1 by a can be written as a by a. So both the numerator and denominator a cancel. So a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square is nothing but a squaring on both sides means here value is 4. 4 square is 16. If you send minus 16 to other side, minus 2 to other side, what happens? Plus 2. A square plus 1 by a square
Plus.
gives 16 plus 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18.
18 it will
Now
be.
you are getting the value as 18. This value you are getting as 18. Now whatever you are getting in one question number 1, that you have to make square right now for to get the second one. To get the answer of second bit, you just make it first one a square plus 1 by a 1 by a square whole square gives you 18 square. Same procedure, instead of a square you supposed to put, instead of b you supposed to put 1 by a square. Use a minus b whole square identity to get a square plus 1 by a square value, children. A to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. Let me clear that.
Ma'am, I'm noting it down.
Okay. Only first part is completed. Second part, to find the second part, you need to square the first, whatever answer you are getting for first bit. You are squaring on both sides. That's all, children. If you square on both sides, we will get a minus b whole square identity. Using a minus b square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can continue, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I continue with the a power 4? Now I need to want what I'm getting. A square plus 1 square is nothing but, yes, 1 minute half, 18.
Ma'am, now that IMO is also coming near and also my school exams are there, so can we play some quizzes?
Sure, we will go with revisions only because practical geometry you need to practice. I will share the videos. You can go with the practical geometry through the videos.
Ma'am, we don't have geometry this time.
Actually, today my FA3 midterm started, ma'am. Tomorrow I have a maths, ma'am.
What are the chapters, Nana?
Ma'am, only two, ma'am. Easy, comparing quantities and inverse and direct and inverse.
Okay, we will go with physics that part only because it will help you as well as other students also participate.
Ma'am, but it is subjective, ma'am, not
Ma'am, direct and
objective.
inverse proportion.
In direct and inverse proportion.
Ma'am, but they have subjective.
Okay,
ma'am.
we will go with the important questions or else, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, which identity you can use over here? A plus b whole square is nothing but what identity is it? A plus b whole square or a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Come on, ma. Here a square means a square whole square. Already plus 2ab means 2 into a square into 1 by a square. Plus b square means 1 by a
Ma'am,
square.
instead of multiplication symbol, you put the dot thing, ma'am. That
Yeah,
is
yeah, I
only
just
like
putting-
everywhere.
Okay, I just put dot, children, for your convenience. It is easy to understand. Dot is also nothing but 18 into 18. What is 18 square value?
Ma'am,
Children, 18
18.
square, everything you forget again. Square of 18 square.
324. 324.
Good.
It is 324.
Now come on, children. Power raised power means it's multiplication. A to the power 4
4.
plus a square, a
Yes,
square
ma'am.
get cancelled, plus 2. And 1 by 1, 1 square is 1 only. Yet a square whole square means a to the power 4 is 324.
Yes.
Now
322.
plus 2 if you forward other.
24.
Yeah, it's minus. Is nothing but
322, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
324 plus 2, 326.
Minus 2.
minus
Minus
2.
2, 322.
Ah, yeah, minus, ma'am. From there to there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's all, ma. That's all. Any doubt over here, please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Yes, shall we go with inverse variation, children?
Ma'am, inverse and direct and inverse are
Yes,
easy, ma'am. Only comparing quantities, the formulas.
Okay, comparing quantities for compound interest. Can we recollect once again all the formulas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Interest loss.
Basic key points.
Ma'am, I have doubt in that chapter. That
Which-
CPSP1 chapter.
Okay, we will just once again go with the same chapter only. Compound interest. Just a minute, children.
Ma'am, then can we discuss a Sunday paper after this?
Okay. Sunday paper, how was paper? It's a general math I gave children for your thinking abilities, to improve your thinking abilities. Because you need to playing with numbers are there. I supposed to give magic squares in next test, children. In this test, I'm unable to give magic squares.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
instead
you
of
once
searching
tell
as
me
magic squares,
this
ma'am, you can
exam?
search as
One by one, children. I'm not getting, please.
Ma'am, in the
whoever was that.
Ma'am, in the Sunday's test, can you once explain the seventh one, ma'am? Because I
Sure.
got that wrong.
Sure,
Yes,
sure.
ma'am, I had a doubt in that.
Ma'am, after this, do you have any class, ma'am?
No, I have some other class with demo class is there. My class, other student is, ma'am is planning, but I'm not giving concern because it's. So in this comparing quantities, children, just a few points we need to recollect once again. Two quantities are in direct variation or direct proportion. What we can say, children, what is the formula we are using in direct variation? Yes.
Direct
Hmm.
proportion, right, ma'am?
Yeah, proportion is nothing but variation. Both are same meaning.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have just remember the formula, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
X1
x1
by
by
Y1
y1 is equals to x2 by y2.
equals to x2 by y2.
Ma'am, that is even an inverse and direct proportion.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Or product of means equal to product of extremes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes or no? That's
yes,
a well-known formula for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Product of means equal to product of extremes. That means middle terms is nothing but outermost terms. And alternative version, children. What is an alternative version? Two quantities
Inverse.
vary directly. If the ratio x by y remains constant, yes or no? This is also very alternative.
Yes, ma'am. That means
Yeah.
inverse proportion, right, ma'am?
Yes, x by y is a constant. Constant, we can take it as any value, children. I'm taking a positive constant. So k is called a,
And this is for direct, ma'am. For inverse, it is xy.
Yeah, inverse I will write. Only for direct variations we are discussing. Now coming to the inverse variation. What you know about inverse variation then? Inverse
Ma'am, the
variation.
formula
Then
will
x1
be
into y1 is equal to
x1
x2
y1
into
Yes.
equals to
y2.
x2 y2.
Very good.
Yes,
Xy
ma'am.
equal to k, children. In inverse variation, xy equal to k. In direct variation,
X by y equals to
X
k.
by y equals to k.
yes, this is very, very important formulas. Please remember, children, where k is constant. The direct proportion we are doing many bits, and anyway, we just recollect once again all the points, and then we have to start. Come on, children. There is a questions here.
Ma'am, after this, can you do comparing one?
Okay. This is comparing quantities only, my dear. Comparing quantities and inverse variation.
Yes, ma'am.
25 horses, 25 horses eat 5 bags of corn in 12 days. So how many horses? 25 horses eat 5 bags of corn. Eat 5 bags of corn. How many days, children? In 12 days. In 12 days. So this is condition. How much will 10 horses eat in 18 days? 10 horses will eat in 18 days. Yes.
Ma'am, we can make the table as ma'am, like
Yeah, please make a table also you can. So here in one day, suppose in 12 days, the 25 horses eat 5 bags of corn. In one day, 25 horses eat how many bags of corn? Based on this statement, based
25
on,
divided by 5.
very good, 5 by 12th bag, yes or no? So in one day,
Yes,
in,
ma'am.
in one day, in 12 days it is taken, 12 days it is taken 5 bags of corn. So in one day, how much corn they will eat?
5 by 12.
Very good.
5 by 12 because
5 by
the total
20.
number of hours is
No, 5 by
25.
12th bag. Yes, so 5
Yes.
by 12th bag of corn they will eat. Coming to in one day, one horse. But there are 25 horses. In one day, one horse. In one day, one horse. This is about 25 horses. The first one is regarding to 25 horses. In one day, one horse means what happened? 5 by 12 multiply in division only you will get to 25. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the
Ma'am,
next
the answer 1 by 60 will get.
now in 18 days 10 horses will eat how much? In one day one horse you are getting. In one day 10 horses means you just multiply in one day 10 horses. One horses you will get 10 horses means just multiply with the 10. So what happens here if you simplify this?
As
What
3
is
by
that?
10th of a bag in one day.
So 3 by
3 by
Three.
10.
yes 3 by 10. But our question is in 18 days 10 horses will eat how many bags? In 18 days 10 horses will eat how many bags? This is very little tricky, children, but it is easy only. Concept you supposed to horses, number of bags, number of days. There are 3 tables you have to make, children. I will just make a table to understand more easy. How many number of horses? This is about horses. How many horses we have? How many horses? 25 horses, sorry. 25 horses. How many bags of
Yes,
corn?
ma'am.
How many bags of corn they are eating?
5.
How many days they are taking these bags? 18 days. And
18, ma'am.
other part is given here. How much will 10 horses eat in 18 days? That's your question. Less days means less corn. Less number of horses means
More
is it less corn they will eat or more corn they will eat?
less.
So more horses
Less.
means more
Direct.
corn. More days means more corn. So less days means less corn. So
That
what
is
we
direct.
can is it direct or indirect?
Direct, ma'am, direct.
Direct.
Ma'am, direct proportion.
Now you have to find out here the horses will be 10 horses. and 18 becomes no. Oh, sorry, children. This is 12 days. First one is given 12 days.
Yes.
This is given 12 days, and 10 horses in 18 days. How much bags of corn they will eat? This is your
Bags
question.
we can write as X.
Oh, come on, children, please. How you supposed to find here? Yes, how you supposed to find over here?
It's like indirect rate as the number of horses increase and the days the food will be available will decrease, right?
No, I'm asking about horses. If less days means less corn they will consume, right? Ma? I'm just to see
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is
More days, more
in less number
more
of
corn
horses,
they will
less
consume.
corn will eat. More horses is there means more corn will eat.
Okay, ma'am.
More days, more corn utilizes. So here horses are decreased. Yes. Days increased. Anyway, horses are decreased means ultimately days will increase. Yes or no?
5 by 12.
Yes. How many by how you sub 5 by 12? Very good. 5 by 12.
5 by 12 is equal to x1 by 18.
Very good. 5 by 12 equal to x1 by 18. Very good. Very good. Come on. You're trying. You're trying. Come on. Same way. Anyone
Now
from
we
the
get
class?
into cross
Ma'am,
multiplication.
okay.
And cross multiplication.
Yes. Cross multiplication also you can. Please do it and tell what is the answer you will get. For
Ma'am,
it.
7.5.
No. That's why it is a little tricky question.
It is 12x by 90 something.
It's 12x by 90 means what value you will get? I think no. But
Yes.
you are trying.
Ma'am, it will be 10 into 5 into 18. Then
Very good.
25
It's
divided by
10 into 5
divided
into.
by 25 into 12.
Correct. 10 into
Divided by 25 into 12.
10 into 5 into 18 divided by
25 into 12.
yes, 12 into 25. Come on, please simplify.
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, it is 900 by 300.
900 by 300 gives
3, ma'am.
3.
3 days. Very good. Very good. How you did, Shreyashi? Please let me know.
I did not understand my video.
Yeah, wait a minute. I'll help you. Wait a minute. How you did this? Shreyashi? How you did this? In one day, first, please
No,
children. Come on, please tell how you did this. But your answer is correct. I will help you, children, how she did. First thing you have to take whether in one day 25 horses, how much quantity of corn they
ma'am,
will.
I had actually I was like searching for examples, ma'am, a long time ago, ma'am. This
In
was
one
done
day,
this chapter in school,
suppose you
ma'am.
see children.
I was, ma'am, I did
Listen,
this
listen.
example, ma'am. I
Listen.
remember I had done it, ma'am. I don't remember how I did it. That's the reason I
Okay,
wasn't
please,
able to
please
answer you
listen.
that.
In one day, what happens, children? 25 horses will eat. 25 horses will eat.
1 by 12th bag.
Is it 5 by 12 bag? Yes.
1 by 2.
Oh, yes,
Yes.
ma'am. 5
Yes,
by
ma'am.
12.
5 by 12.
5 by 12, na, ma'am.
by
Yes,
12.
ma'am.
5 by 12th bag. Very good. So in one day, horses in one day, one horse. This is about 25 horses we are taking.
Ma'am, 5 upon 12 into 25.
In one day, one horse. Very good. 5 by 12 into 25. 12 into 25, right. Next, why we need to find in one day 10 horses. 10 horses means you should just multiply with the 10 here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in 18 days, the same way in one day we are taking. In 18 days means what happens? Again, you should multiply with
Again into 80.
18. Come on, now you have to simplify it. Now you have to simplify. There is a logical thinking is there. First, you need to find
Okay,
out.
understood.
Understood, children? First, you need to find out in one day 25 horses how much quantity of corn they will eat. So 5 by 12. So one horse how much they will eat means 5 by 12 multiplied with 25. But according to in one day one horse how much we got. But 10 horses, how much means? Into 10. But how many days we supposed to calculate? We
18,
supposed to
18.
calculate 18. So you just multiply.
18 days, ma'am.
So
3.
you have to
Ma'am,
multiply.
900 by 300, which is 3 days.
That is the way she did. That is the way she did. It's 12
Ma'am,
into
is it 3 days or 3 bags?
3 bags, Nana. It's not days. We are finding about the bags, right? 3 bags.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
3 bags we supposed to get for 18 days. 10 horses will eat 3 bags. Right, children? This is one type. This is like a
Ma'am, so
little.
3 bags.
Yes. There is a different way you have to think, children. What are the conditions given? How many horses, how many bags, how many days? First, you need to find for one day, 25 horses, how much consume. And for one horse, you're supposed to calculate. The same way you have to calculate for one horse, you anyway, you know. Then 10 horses, how much? In 18 days. You just multiply 5 into 10 into 18 divided by 12 into 25. So that you will get 3.
Ma'am, now can we discuss this on day paper?
Yes, we will go now. We will go with that part also. Don't worry, there is a test for tomorrow, so we can go with a few more basic questions. Next, the question is:
Ma'am, tomorrow there's a test.
four men can make 4 cupboards in 4 days. Men, how many men? 4 men make cupboards. How many cupboards? 4 men can make 4 cupboards in how many days? 4 days. All are 4, 4, 4. Here the question is, how many cupboards is question mark? How many cupboards can 14 men in 14 days? Yes.
1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Chandni?
one man can do 4 by 4. That means 1.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am
So,
says it 14 cupboards.
Yes. Very good. Direct. You can see only you can answer this question, children.
ma'am, 14 cupboards.
Yes, ma'am, per day they make 1 cupboard. So 14 days they can make 14 cupboards.
No, here, see, listen carefully, children. 4 men can make 4 cupboards in 4 days. 4
Oh
men,
no, because the men is increasing, that's why.
yeah, men is increasing.
Ma'am, this will be direct proportion, yes, ma'am.
No, please think and give the answer, children. Don't think what you will get directly 14. Don't tell.
Ma'am,
Please,
more men, less days, ma'am.
yeah. 4 men, 4 men can make.
Ma'am,
4
if we take
cupboards.
it in the formula, ma'am, then we can write it as 4 by 14 is equal to 4 by x.
Same thing, children. In no, 4 days, 4 men. How many cupboards they are doing? Same before what we did, the same procedure. In one day, how many cupboards they will prepare? In one day, 4 men can do how many cupboards? In
4
one
by
day.
4, 1 by
1 by? Children, please tell.
12.
In one day, 4 men can do what type, how much cupboard work will complete?
1/4.
1/4.
1.
1/4. Very good.
Yes,
1/4.
ma'am.
So here in one day, so here one day 4 men they're
Ma'am,
doing.
in 1 day 4
Ma'am,
men.
they will do 4 by 4, 1, ma'am. 1 cupboard, 4 by 4,
Ma'am,
1.
one
Ma'am, one
cupboard,
day they will make 1 cupboard, ma'am, not 1 by 4.
No, ma. 4 men together in one day, they will make
One out of the all 4 cupboards, they can make it in 1 day.
not in one day. All 4 days they will do means they will complete
4
one.
cupboards. That means
four.
in 1 day they can do 1 out of
One
all the 4
cupboard.
cupboards.
So that
Yes,
means
miss.
1 by 16.
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 16.
First of all, think, is it given direct variation or indirect variation? Same question, previous bit, what we are doing.
Ma'am, this will be direct, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please. I'm not giving, I'm just giving clues. Please think and give the answer. 4 men can make 4
Yes, last
cupboards
one,
in
ma'am.
4 days. 4 men can make 4 cupboards in 4 days. How many
Ma'am,
cupboards?
this is direct variation only,
14 men.
ma'am.
14 men means here they are increased. The people are increased. 14 men can make in 14 days. In 14 days, how many cupboards they will make?
Ma'am, I got 49, ma'am. I don't know if it's correct.
Yes, correct. You are correct. 49 is correct. Absolutely correct. How
Yes,
you
ma'am.
did? How you
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
did?
if I,
14
ma'am, can
into
I tell
4
the
into
answer and
14 by
formulas,
4
ma'am?
into 4, which is 784 by 16, which is 14.
Satvik, Satvik, please repeat. I'm not getting here.
Ma'am, same as the last one, I did 14 into 4 into 14, ma'am. As there are 14 men, 14 days we need to do it again. By
14
4 into
multiplied
4.
with 14 multiplied with
4.
4
14 into
divided with
4 into again 14, ma'am.
okay into 14.
By 4 into 4, which is 16.
Yes. So
14
here
into 4 into 14 is 784.
yes. So this is again will 7 times. This is 7 sevens are 49. Absolutely
Yes, ma'am,
correct.
49.
49 cupboards they will make in 14 men make 49 cupboards in 14 days. Can you please help
Ma'am,
others?
can I tell which formulas, ma'am?
Yes, please.
In more easier way, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, like if this is direct variation, ma'am, so if we take the formula, ma'am, x1 by y1 equals to x2 by y2, then
No.
it will become like 4 by, wait a minute, what? Yes, ma'am, 4 by 14 equals to 4 in 4 by x. And then that we can do it like,
Very simple, children. Previous bit, what we are doing. So 4 men together. Just a minute. I will help step by step.
then we can do like 14 into 14 divided by 4
No, ma,
is
in
equal
one
to
day,
49.
4 men work is 1 by 4th. Only 1 man work. If you want to find out 1 man work means you will get 4 by 14. So how many men we are getting? 14 men. 14 days they are working, and in 4 days together. Now you have to 4 cupboards. Now
Yes,
please calculate 4, 1, 4 and 4 get cancelled. This becomes 7 and 7. You will get 2 table. If you 7 sevens are 49. Very, very simple, children. But you need to understand.
ma'am, is this the correct method to do it? Because in subjective exam, if it is wrong, they'll not give marks.
No, it is the way. First step is in one day. In one day. In one day, 4 men can do. In one day, 4 men can do how many cupboards?
In one day, 4 men can do it, 1
1
by
by
4.
4.
1 by
1
4.
by 4th cupboard. So in one day, 1 man can do in 1
1
by
by 16.
16th. 1 by
No,
16th.
ma'am, in one day, 4 men can do one cupboard, right?
Yeah, ma, that's why in
Ma'am
one
is asking
man can
1
complete
man.
1 by 16th work. Now our question is 14 men, 14 days if the work means how many cupboards they will prepare?
14.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
14 into 14 divided by 4, ma'am. That's what I did, ma'am.
Yeah, that's 1 by 16th is 1 man work. Then 14 men work is 14 you are multiplying with 14. Then how many days they are doing?
4.
14 days they are working.
Okay, ma'am, later. Yes, ma'am. 14 days they are working. Yes, ma'am. Question.
Yeah, that's why it is getting 14 into 14. Still you have doubt? Can I go with one more bit like that?
Ma'am, is there any formula for this thing? Like 14 into 4 into
No,
14?
it's like just whether less days are happening, less quantity. If more persons, it's like whether you're just check it, whether it is direct or inverse variation.
Okay.
It is only
Ma'am,
the,
if it is inverse,
we can use xy equal to k. Xy equal to constant, we will get there.
Ma'am, that
it
one,
will
ma'am,
be
for that only there's a formula, right, ma'am? X1, Y1 equals to X2, Y2.
Right.
Inverse.
ma'am, if ma'am in the same, ma'am, if it is inverse, then what should we do? Ma'am? Same like this.
Direct. It is direct. Inverse. Inverse, there is some other things we will see that. We will go with the inverse alter. Alternative version also we will go how x by equal to constant because here we are just discussing x by y equal to constant concept. In inverse variation, we will go with x by equal to k concept. How it will work, we will go with examples. Just a minute. 15 chests of tea, each chest contains 20 kgs, cost 350. Okay. There is a question, children. In a hostel, it costs rupees 800 to keep 50 children. I will write the question. In a hostel, it costs, in a hostel, it costs rupees 1800 to keep 50 children, to keep 50 children, to keep 50 children for 8 weeks. For 8 weeks. Listen carefully the question. 8 weeks. For what length of time? For what length of time? Here 18 weeks is given, children. You need to find out for what length of time. What length of time? For what length of time did the cost of 90 children, here the children are increased children, 90 children amount to 2,10,000 rupees, 2 lakh. Okay, it's not 21,000. It's not 2 lakh, 21,060 rupees, 21,060.
Ma'am, that's what I was thinking, ma'am. Just for 90 children, why will it go that much huge price, ma'am?
Yeah, you just see the time period because we supposed to find the length of time period, how many, what are, you just see there. In hostel, it cost rupees 800, 1,800 to keep 50 children for 8 weeks. For 8 weeks, how much amount we are spending on the children? Rupees 1,800.
1,800.
So here for what length of time did the cost of 90 children amount to 21,060? This is also same like a tabular form you're supposed to prepare, children. So amount children, time period. Amount children, time period. So how much amount we are spending? 1,800. For how many
1,800 on 50 children at the time of 8 weeks. For the
8
time of 8 weeks.
8 weeks. And here next we don't know the time. You need to find for 90 children is given. You have to find the amount is already given as spending as 21,000 rupees 60. Come on, children, please find the value of time period. Same thing, children, please. Same thing. The same way you're supposed to calculate how we did previous question. So one child. Parents first week.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Yeah,
No,
please.
no.
First 50 students. $50 children, 8 weeks, rupees 1,800. 90 children, 21,060. How many weeks? How much? How many weeks? Come on, children, please. What we supposed to do? Is there any? If number of children are increasing, the amount is also increased.
Direct.
Yes. Come on, please. What is the step here, Satvik? First step in 1 week. In 1 week. So how you supposed to
Ma'am,
find out for one child? 50 out of 100.
50 divided by, wait a minute.
Is it 50 divided by 100 or 1800 divided by 50?
Ma'am, 1800 by 50.
1800 divided
Very
by
good.
that. ma'am.
1800 divided by 50. Wonderful. 1800
50.
divided by 50. So for 8 weeks, for 1 week means? For 1 week means?
36.
Ma'am, it will become. wait.
36, ma'am, 36.
36.
Yeah, 1 by 1 sir. 5 3s are 15. So 5 6 are 30. Yeah, please mute yourself. So 8 1s are 8 1s are. So 8 1s are 8. 36 by 8 you will get, children. 36 by 8 is the same procedure you have to find out for further two. What is the other?
80 by 50, it is 36.
Yeah, 1800 divided by 50 gets 36.
For 8 weeks, it will be 36 by 8. Yes.
8 weeks, 8 weeks it is. But time period you have to supposed to find out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, a very simple task, Nana. Y is equal to constant you are getting as 36, right? This is
Yes.
for 8 weeks. This is for 8 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
The same procedure you can do for the second.
Ma'am, 21060 by 90.
Yes. 21060 by 90. So what happens if it is?
Ma'am, I did that, ma'am. It
234.
is 234.
Yes, ma'am. 34.
234. 234 divided by 8. Come on, children. 234 divided by 8.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing
Ma'am,
it.
it is
ma'am,
in
I'm
decimals,
doing
no,
it.
ma'am. It will be.
No, directly you will get weeks, children.
It is in 234 divided by 8 is decimals.
No. 234, 1 minute.
Ma'am, 29.25.
Yes, ma'am. The decimal. 29.
No, ma, you don't get like that. It's not.
Ma'am, we should simplify it, right, ma'am?
Yeah, you have to simplify. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 3 will be remainder, 9 threes are 27, and 36, 9 fours are 36. 274 or what?
Ma'am, I'm doing it. Ma'am, I got like when I simplified, I'm still getting in fractions only, ma'am. 117 by 4.
I'm
No,
getting
dear, 9
234,
ones
ma'am.
are 9, 9 ones are 9. So 9 twos are, no, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Twos are 18 means you will get 3, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 234,
Yes,
correct only.
ma'am. 234. It is coming 29.25, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
come on,
ma'am,
children, please.
29.25.
Now come on, please. Unknown thing. This one we don't know. 36 by 8 equal to 234 by some x you have to take. Come on, find out the value of x. Yes.
Ma'am, I
I'm
did not get, ma'am, what you
29.25.
said.
36 by x 8 equal to 234 by x. Come on, please simplify this.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please simplify this and give the answer. X equal to how much, Nana? 234.
Ma'am, it's 52.
Very good, very good. Who got 52, please? Can I know the name of the
Ma'am,
student?
Shahu.
Shahu.
You are correct. You are correct. Wonderful. You are correct.
Ma'am, 52 weeks means it's approximately a year.
Exactly. Now you
Not
understand, children?
approximately. It is exactly a
I'm
year.
into
52 weeks.
234 into 8 divided by 36.
Right. What is the value of x here? You know anyway how to solve x value equal to 234 by 36 multiplied with 8. Simplify, children. Shall I do simplification once again?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
36 by 8. 36 by 8 is nothing but 234 by x. So find the value of x. X equal to just cross multiplication. 234 into 8 by 36. Come on, children. 4 2s are 4 9s are 36. 9 1s are 54. 54 how many times, Nana? 26. 26 2 times 52. So what is the question? What is the question, children? So in hostel cost rupees 18. Okay. For what length of time the cost to keeping 90 children, the amount 21,060 means for 52 weeks time, the cost of keeping 90 children amount to 21,060. Shall I go one? Shall I give one more question like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In how many days working? Yeah, please. In how many days of working 8 hours each day? Number of days, how many days of working 8 hours each day? Can 12 men do the same work as 10 men working 9 days, 9 hours? Okay. In how many days? I will write the question first, try to understand.
Ma'am, you can write it, yes, ma'am.
In how many days? In how many days of working 8 hours? Working 8 hours each day. 8 hours each day. Can 12 men do? 12 men do the same work. The same work. The same work as 10 men. 10 men working. 10 men working 9 hours. 9 hours a day in 9 hours a day in 16 days. Very same procedure, children, same thing, same to same. In how many days of working 8 hours each day can 12 men do the same work as 10 men working 9 hours a day to do in 16 days?
It's easy, ma'am.
Yes, the same thing, children. Please try. If you're not getting, I will help you.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Yes. What's
Ma'am,
your
I did not
15,
understand
ma'am. I
it,
got
ma'am.
15. Ma'am, I did the 12 into 8 into x is equal to
very good? Very good.
10
12
into
into
16
8
into
into
9.
x divide with
10 into 16 into 9.
10 into 9 into 16. Wonderful. Come on, simplify x value means just divide
15.
with
15.
Ma'am, I did not understand, ma'am.
Nana, see here, in how many days of working 8 hours each day can 12 men do the same work? This is condition is given. The same work as 10 men working 9 hours in 16 days. 10 men, 9 hours, 16 days is nothing but 12 persons, 8 hours, and how many days is x you have to take? So 12 into x multiplied 12 into x multiplied with 8 equal to, because why we are equating there, both are equal, they get the same work they are completing. So you have to find the value of x. Very good, Satvik. What you will get here if you find out x
Yes,
value?
ma'am.
15.
10 into
And this is indirect, right?
yeah, 10 into 9 into 16 divided by, yes, Nana, 12 multiplied with 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. 2 ones are 2
Yes,
six
ma'am,
are-
because the number of men decreases, ma'am.
yeah, next one, please. 2 threes are 2 fives are, and 3 ones are 3 threes are. So it's together how many days, Nana? In how many days? In 15 days, working 8 hours each can 12 men can do the same work. Thus, with respect to other condition is 10 men, 9 hours, 16 days. Both are completing the same.
Ma'am, one more question.
Shall I
Ma'am,
give one
can you
more?
give up comparing quantities?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Shall I give children or else is it okay for you? Shall I give one more bit?
Ma'am, can you give comparing quantities, ma'am, that compound interest?
That
ma'am?
is more easy, children. If you know formula, you can complete. This is only little tricky.
If they give like 2.5
Ma'am,
years,
for us, ma'am,
to the-
compound interest, ma'am, that is deleted for us in that, ma'am.
Okay, compound interest, it is really tough because
I mean-
here level the calculation part in our textbook is given more and more. But okay, we will do after that bit also. We will do just a minute.
I'm comparing quantities. If they ask like compounded yearly 2.5 years, first we need to do like for 2 years. After we need to do simple interest with the same.
Half an hour. Very
principal
good.
for
Very
half
good.
year.
Yes, so for simple interest, you're supposed to calculate for half an hour. Then you have to combine both.
Ma'am, should we take the half year as 1/2 or 0?
Yes. 0.5 don't take. The decimals is difficult. If you take fractions, it is more easier for you.
Okay.
Sometimes you use
Ma'am, can I leave the class, ma'am? I have another class.
what's time now? It's already completed our time.
Yes, ma'am. If you want, you can take extra time also.
Oh, sorry, children. Only 1 minute last week. 18 blenders blind 90 books in 10 days. How many binders, children? Here 18 binders. How many books binding books? How many binding books are happening? 900 and books are binding in 18 binders. How many days it is taking? It's taking 10 days. Now, how many binders will require to bind? How many binders will require to bind 660 books? 660 books in 12 days. Come on, children. Come on, please do the same thing and give the answer. So what we can do here, 18 multiplied with 900 multiplied with 10 divided with 660 into 12.
12.
Ma'am, when can we do this? Like directly?
This is by seeing only, because here the question you have to try seeing only, you can understand. There are 18 binders, bind 900 books in 10 days. How many binders will require to bind 660 books? Books are reduced, means here days also happens. What happens to days also 12 days.
Ma'am, the binders will decrease.
Decrease means what happens here? Which ratio we can take?
Inverse.
Right. Come on. General thinking, children, based on your thinking, you can. Here 6 2s are 6 3s are. So here 3 1s
3
are
1s are 333s. 22s are.
22. So here what is left over? 900 by 44. Is it 44? Is it 44, children?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
somewhat.
it comes in
Ma'am,
decimal 20.45.
Yes, ma'am.
21 point,
20.45.
I think 21 point.
Yes, ma'am. 20.454545. It's coming like that.
Continuation.
Ma'am, if we are around, then it will be 20 only.
20. Is it 20.4 or 5 you will get, children? 4 5 you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can round
20.45.
down only, children. It's 20. 20. No, but exact value you will get somewhere.
Ma'am, like, can you tell me how is this inverse now?
Now, see, my dear, binding books. Binders are here, books are decreased and days are increasing. Obviously, if books are decreased, days are increasing, means what happens? Binders also will increase or decrease, children. But here, what we are doing, I think, so wrong, children. We can't do here in that way. We can do again one binder one day. What is the capability? How many? So number of days here, one binder can How many books can bind? So 18 binders, 900 books. One binder means 900 by 18. So 18 ones are 1850. So here it's again 10 days it is working. So 500 by 500 divided by 66 into 12.
66, ma'am. Some
So is it 500? You will get here 18 fives are 50. You will get 1 day work means 15 by 5. 5 times you will get. So 10 ones are 10, fives are 5. So if you are getting 5, what happens? Because the same binders, the question is if 18 binders bind 900 books in 10 days, how many binders will require to bind 660 books in 12 days? So we need the capable
Excuse
of
me, ma'am.
each binder. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Shreya, please.
Ma'am, actually, I have another class now.
Yes, children, you can leave, children.
Yeah,
Children,
ma'am, I actually have
please.
another class now.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
please, children.
Thank you,
please
ma'am.
go.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Shreya. Bye. Children,
ma'am, we should also leave.
no, here, just a minute, children will complete and go. Here, one binder in 10 days, how much? What is the capacity of one binder in 10 days? 1 by 18 binders can do the 900 books.
Yes,
So one binder means 50 books
yes, ma'am.
in 10 days. In 1 day,
And it will be lesser binders, ma'am.
so 5 books. So here in 10 days, there one binder can bind 50 books. In 1 day, what is
You
the bind?
wrote there 66, ma'am. It is actually 660, no, ma'am.
I said 60. Oh, 660. No, sorry.
Ma'am, that's why I got confusion. I got the wrong answer.
No, 660 only correct. It's not 66 children. That's why even we are okay. Now you can do, children. Please, it's a 660. It's 660. 18 into. How you supposed to do, children? Here, one binder can work in 1 day. 1900 divided by 18 by 10. So here, if you take as 18 into 10, you cut 0, 18.
10.
So one binder 1 day, how many? 5 books. So
5,
here,
ma'am.
And it will be same for 660 by x
Ah.
into 12, which will be 6. Ma'am, 6
by
x is equal to 66, ma'am. X is equal to 66 by 6, which is 11, ma'am.
yes, 11 is correct answer. 11 is correct answer. Satvik, how you did here? 11, how you get 11?
Ma'am, I did like 900 by 18 into 10 is equal to 660 by x into 12, ma'am.
660 by x into
12.
So that is the way
12.
we are doing the same thing, right?
Ma'am, I got like 6x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 by 6, which is 11.
It's 11 days, right?
Yes.
Right, that's all. But only the thing here we can do in both the ways. The same binder, one binder, the capability we are equating, right?
Ma'am, because 18 into 10 is, it will get cancelled, no?
Yeah, that's why here we are getting 5 books, right?
Yes.
One binder, 1 day, 5 books can bind. So 660 binders in 12 days means you can simplify. 660 by 12 into 5. Yeah.
Or else we can even do like 660 into 18 into 10 by 900 into 12.
660 into 18 into 12.
10, ma'am, 10.
No, in this way also same thing, the same work we are equating, right?
Yes.
Here
ma'am.
also we are getting the same answer only here. 5. So the same thing we are equating for this. How you are equating here?
Ma'am, I did it in 2 minutes. I got correct only, ma'am. Means
7.
18 into 660 into 10, ma'am.
18
Like
into
cross
660 into
10
10.
by 900 into 12 is equal to 11. 11 is x.
900 into
12.
12 into x.
Yes.
12 into x.
12 into x. So what you are equating here? Zeros you are cancelling. Okay.
Ma'am, no need of x, ma'am, because x is equal to this. No, we are
Okay.
dividing.
Okay. X value only we are finding. Just here 12 means 6 2s are 6 3 times. Here 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 6 3 2s are means 11. Yes, correct. Is it inverse variation, Satvik, or direct variation?
Ma'am, it's direct.
It is inverse, right, ma'am?
No, 18 binders are doing means 900 in 10 days. So
Ma'am, it's inverse.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
binding books are 660. So days are what happened? 660 means ultimately it will be reduced, right? The books also reduced. Here binders also will
It can
reduce.
even be like the binders can be reduced, then the books can be also reduced, ma'am. In this binders, days and day 3, no, ma'am. That's why I get confused.
Yeah.
Ma'am, binders and binding books are inversely proportional to days, but binders and binding books are directly proportional.
Okay. Next, shall I give one more question, children? Because there is a lot of we are just doing few bits, but we are not doing that much. But many tests, the questions are coming, children. In a dairy farm, 40 cows eat 40 bags of husk in 40 days. How many cows? 40 cows. The same thing already we did for horses. How many bags of husk? 40 bags of husk. And in how many days they're eating? 40 days. Now our question is, in how many days one cow will eat in one bag of husk? In how many days one cow will eat one bag of husk?
Ma'am, one day.
Yes, first one you have to find out. Is it one day? Yes, children, is it one day?
Ma'am, one day.
Yes, I can hear you. Is it one
Ma'am,
day?
is it 1 by 40th of day?
Very good, very good, very good. Jashmita, you are correct.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I got confused, ma'am. How can like one day currently like be only just for one cow? Because like many cows can eat from that same one also, right?
Yeah. Here the question is, in a dairy farm, 40 cows can eat 40 bags of husk in 40 days. First, you have to find one cow, one by, right, children? One cow, how much they're going to?
Ma'am, one cow it will eat.
First, take a single for 40 days. You're supposed to find out, children. Then please think about. There is a lot of interesting questions you have, children. Step by step in revision classes, we will go with that. Please think and give the
Ma'am,
answer.
it is like 1 into 40 into x is equal to 40 into 1 into 40. X is equal to 40. I'm getting, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm getting the answer as 40.
You're getting answer as 40 wrong. Someone said only 140 by 1 by 40. That's not one day. So you're supposed to find out. You're supposed to find out what you're supposed to find out. In how many days one cow will eat one bag of husk? One cow will eat one bag. It's not 40 bags. It's not 40 bags. One cow will eat one bag of husk. It's not 40 bags. Please think and come with your answer, children. First, 40 cows.
I will eat 40
cows
bags.
in 40 days. 40 cows will eat in 40 days, how many bags? 40 bags.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think it must be 40 by 40 into 1 by 40 upon 40 into 1 by 40.
So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you will get? What you will get there?
Ma'am, 1 by 40.
1 by 40 is 1 day, but
40.
one
Ma'am,
bag.
40, ma'am. 40.
No children. 40 cows will eat in 40 days 40 bags of husk. One cow, one bag in how many days? Come on, think it's wrong answer, children. You are all are giving wrong answers. Please solve it and then you can leave. How you're supposed to do? First first 40 cows in 40 days, how much quantity they are eating? 40. So if 40 cows,
40 bags.
40 cows in 1 day. 40 cows in 1 day. 40 cows in 1 day, how much they are eating? 1
1
by
bag.
40.
1
One
out
by
of 40.
So, one cow in 1 day.
1 by 160.
Ma'am, 1 by 160.
1 by
1 by, yes, ma'am.
160.
Ma'am, 1 by 1600.
Ma'am, or
Ma'am,
is
the
it
answer
1
should be
by
40 only, ma'am.
6400? 64,000.
And the answer should be 40 only, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it 1 by 1600?
Ma'am, is it 1 by 64,000?
Ma'am, 64,000 it can be, ma'am, because 40 into 40.
Yes, ma'am. 1 into 1 by 40 into 40 into 40.
Yes,
40
ma'am.
into 40, right?
Oh, ma'am left.
Actually, the formula
She
for
got
it,
disconnected.
actually the formula is like one M1 into D1 by W2 is equal to M2 into D2 by W1. So we will get 40 only answer. We should just cross multiply. Like
Yeah, 40 is correct. 40 is correct, children.
yes,
40 is
that's
correct.
what 40.
40 is correct.
And same we need to like we need to do like crisscross and divide.
You need to do
Ma'am, can you
crisscross and divide. You will get
Ma'am, can you tell how?
40 by 40. Yes, we will go with that. 40.
Ma'am, once again, can you tell? Ma'am, I'm not understanding.
Children, 40 cows. 40 days they're eating 40 bags of husk. 40 cows in 1 day, how much they're eating? In 1 day, they're eating 1 by 40th
1 by 40th.
bag of husk. So here 1 cow you is supposed to calculate, right? So 1 cow you're supposed to calculate means what happened? How you supposed to do? In 1 cow in 1 day. So here
Yes, ma'am.
1600. So, but we know that it's a as you said the crisscross method, that's very easy. 40 into 40 by. But a procedure is very important, children. Step by step.
Into 1 into 40 by 1 into 40, which is 40 only. 80.
Yeah. 1600 divided by 40 is
40,
nothing.
which is 40.
40 days it will 1 cow, 1 bag of husk will eat in how many days? 40 days.
40.
Children, still any doubt in this concept, because it is very important, children, but it is little tricky one, but you know the concept wise how you are able to do, you can do easily. Any difficult here? Shall I give one more bit? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A man can travel to 65 kilometers in 3 days. 65 kilometers. One man. A man can travel
Yes, ma'am.
kilometers in 3 days.
Ma'am, you did not share a screen.
Oh, 1 minute. I thought I'm sharing. I'm writing also some part of previous question. So someone having a doubt here, who is keeping message? Ma'am, I have doubt.
Ma'am,
Ash-
Ashrita has it, ma'am,
But
and then she
not
was like
there.
asking what tomorrow will be test, ma'am, and then Satvik told that tomorrow in his school there will be one test. That's why she got confused, I guess.
Okay, ma'am, I have doubt. Test tomorrow.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
1 minute. I have to just share my screen. Yes, children, are you able to see one question? Last question we'll discuss in. Three pumps, working 8 hours, The same question I have a remember. Empty tank in 2
Ma'am,
days.
pumps means that tumblers only.
Yes, ma'am. In empty in 2 days. How many days must 4 pumps? How many days? Days is question mark. Pumps. P-U-M-P-S, no, it's not pump. Pump. P-U-M-P. Pump. Pumps. How many hours a day must 4 pumps work to empty the tank in 1 day? Tank in, yeah, time here 1 day. Children. 3 pumps, 8
Ma'am,
hours.
is it
Ma'am, I
12
got the answer
hours?
12, ma'am. I got the answer as 12.
Well, correct. How you did? You are using
Ma'am,
this.
Ma'am,
same.
3 into 8 into 2 by 4 into 1.
What was it? 12.
Actually, this crisscross method is a formula, ma'am.
That's okay. That's a simple technique. But why? How you supposed to do that is very important. If you are getting in subjective paper, you're supposed to write. So 1 pump can empty in 1 day. How much? Or else how you supposed to do this? 3 pumps, 8 hours, 2 days empty. 4 pumps, how many hours in 1 day? Okay, children, there are very less strength. How many are there in the meet? Only 4 or 5.
5, ma'am.
Please practice the sums similar like a difficulty. Don't go with small basic questions. Please take some challenging questions and practice, children. We will go with revision.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Some persons can do a piece of work in 12 days. 2 times the number of such persons will do half of the work in how many days? Okay, there are little tricky questions too we have. Okay, children, it's already 7:23. We'll meet in next class, children, with some other concepts we will discuss. And Satvik, you are asking about simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest, anyway, you are aware about simple interest. PTR by
PTR by 100.
What is compound?
PTR by 100.
Compound interest, there are few formulas you're supposed to recollect.
Into 1 plus R by 100.
Yeah, please recollect some formulas. Yes, sir. In case of simple interest, the principal remains constant, children. In case of compound interest, the principal won't be constant. It will be changing periodically. Yes or no, children? Periodically, they will add it to principal.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not the same. In compound interest, what is the formula for amount to find the amount for compound interest, children? A is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. This is basic formula, children. So here we have some other questions. Sometimes the compound interest, if you want to find out, you have to amount minus principal you will do, then you will get compound interest. This is the basic formula you're supposed to remember. But here there are conditions they will give. The interest payable half yearly or interest payable annually or quarterly, such questions are given how you supposed to calculate the interest value. So in suppose half yearly is given, time period is given as a half yearly, then what formula you supposed to use, children? You can use directly p into 1 plus r by 200 whole to the power 2n, children.
R by 200 whole power
Yes,
and
this
2n, ma'am.
2n. This is the formula you're supposed to use.
Ma'am, for us, our ma'am said like if it is 2 years, there are four half years in the 2 years, so we take that as n 4, ma'am. The n we are not
Then
will not
just
take 200, ma'am.
okay. Or else directly also you can use general formula you have to keep in your mind based on that how many years in half yearly means how many half years you will get in 2 years, 4 half years. You can use n as 4 directly, you can substitute also. Okay. Same answer only you will get. This is the basic formula, children. If you want to do directly, you can remember rate of interest is calculated half yearly means you can use p into 1 plus r by 200 whole to the power 2n. Suppose interest is calculated quarterly means what you will do, children? Interest is calculated quarterly means what you will do in that case? How many quarters you have? Yes, how many quarters per year you have?
Ma'am, I did not understand your question, ma'am.
No, my dear, suppose interest I'm asking about annually means you're using first formula. So amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Suppose I'm asking about interest is calculated half yearly means you're using this. Suppose interest is calculated quarterly means what you will do?
Ma'am, is it P into 1 plus R by 400 raised to the power 4n?
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, that's what I thought, ma'am. Quarter can only be in 4 parts,
That's why I'm
ma'am.
continuously asking how many quarters per year we have. Continuously, I gave the long back the formulas also. Once you just please go through that, children. You don't know anything, only
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
know only this formula. Also, you can find, you can utilize this formula. But you have half yearly means what you will get? 1 year, how many half years you will get? 2. In place of n, you will
2.
substitute 2 there. Understood,
Ma'am,
children?
quarterly means 4. In 2 years means 8.
Yes. So suppose they're asking 2 years, 2.5 years means first 2 years you need to find out half yearly means you need to find out using compound interest formula. Then for last half an hour, half
We'll
year.
take the principal as the same.
Yes. Simple.
Principal, ma'am, we need to take the principal which we got in compound interest. And do it.
So some questions easily, children. Suppose if you see what amount of money should Mohan invested on the bank in order to get rupees 1323 in 2 years, and rate of interest 5%, compounded annually. Here compounded annually. In this case, very simple. You can directly solve what amount you supposed to find out. Principal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So n
Whole to the power 10 because it is
1.
compounded annually.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
if it is in 2.5 years, ma'am, simple interest, ma'am, not compounded. Sim
no, my question, general example I'm taking for your understanding. What amount of money should Mohan invest in bank in order to get 1323 in 2 years?
1323.
1 in 2 years at the rate of interest 5% compounded annually. So what you should do here? Amount you supposed to calculate.
Ma'am, if they give the same
Yes.
question, but in it is 2.5 years and it is not compounded, ma'am, it is simple interest, then should we take the years as 2.5 or 2 into 1, 1 by 2?
2 1 by 2 you have to take. Then your it's nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2 you will get. It is more easier. If you take points, what happens? It is little difficult when the power is in points. you are able, you feel little difficult. Your fraction is there anywhere, you can rise this number
Yes,
into
ma'am.
the powers, means you can cancel over here. Power raised power happens multiplication, then cancellation will happen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
go with the decimal maximum, avoid for decimals, you just go with fractional form. Yeah, please practice the sums, children. I will meet in next class. Bye. Have a nice day, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Bye. Jashmita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Jashmita.